What made you think, yep, I'm about to die? I used to live with my best friend in college, and we heard someone moved in next door after being released from a mental hospital. A week later, our doorbell started going off repeatedly. My roommate answered and met a man who made her uncomfortable. He claimed he needed a band-aid for a cut, though his hands looked fine. She declined, and he asked to measure something in her bedroom. She slammed the door, and he left. 2 weeks later, he came back, tried to push in, and asked to use our bathroom. Days later, he returned, slamming our door with an axe. Police finally arrived. He'd been outside since 3 a.m. waiting.